Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching that earwax removal video today. We've got two really tough wax removals to do on this patient, and they're tough for two different reasons. Now we can see this first ear canal here. We've got this really almost solid piece of wax. Now as we lift this up off the base of the canal, what we'll see is it's really a tough piece. We're trying to lift it from the bottom, but it's actually held in there quite firmly. It's quite a hard piece of wax, this one. So you can see I'm just gently trying to maneuver this, just bring this down the canal, but I can't quite get a brilliant grip on this. I'm trying to hold on to it really tightly and bring this forwards, but it just keeps hanging on in different areas inside the ear canal here. So I'm going to sort of lift and wiggle this one just to try and bring this down. You can see that surface of the wax there is quite irregular. It's where we've taken the looser sections off the front. Now this would have been the parts that the softening drops would have penetrated into, which this patient's been using before they came along. Now as you put the suction tube on that, all those little tiny pieces of wax are going to get sucked off this main plug, and then we're going to get this much harder, sort of irregular surface there underneath. You can see I'm trying to pull the sides away, just trying to make this plug any way sort of smaller that we possibly can, really, to try and get this out the ear canal. But he's pretty solid in there. So let's go in now with the Jobson horn. You can just make out the top section crumbling away there now. So we've got this sort of really hard, brittle section at the front. As soon as we put the Jobson horn on top, what's happening then is it's starting to crumble down, sort of break down then. There we go. Out that section comes. And we'll just take a look behind that now. Let's take a look at the next bit. Yep, we can just get over the top there, but we've hit this softer section of wax now. So we have this really tough front end, and now we've got this really soft central core of wax that we're working on now. Now you've seen this before, where we get this hard outer shell to the wax, and then we get this softer core. We call it armadillo wax here, just because it gets this really tough outer shell. So we're just going to start to work this down the canal now. We've got rid of that central section, which means now we can lift from the sides and from the bottom, pull into the center of the canal there, just to try and loosen the edges from the canal wall. There we go. You can see all those little bits all starting to get sucked inside the machine there. That tougher outer layer you can see there as well, just around the outside edge. There we go. Now we're starting to get a little bit of movement. Has that fully detached, or are we just detaching this front section? Let's have a little look at this. There we are, that whole section's gone. You can see how soft that is now compared to what it was like when we first went into this ear canal. So we've got a little bit of dry skin, that sort of beige material there underneath. That's a little bit of dry skin that's around the outside edge of this wax. Just breaking this down at the entrance to the canal now, just to get this out. Now when you get these softer waxes, when you do bring them out, especially if the patient's got a sort of slightly smaller entrance to the canal, as you bring them out, it just wedges in that position. So you have to break it down to get it out of that canal. There we go. Off that bit comes. Let's get to the next section. There we go. That section's come away really lovely. It's looking like it's all coming away really well. There we go. Just got the last of it there, but it looks like it's all broken down. Let's take a look. Well, there's one little bit that we just need to remove, so we'll just get rid of that first of all. There we go. And the eardrum there looking a lot better. So we can see a very full ear canal to start with. Much better at the end there. So now we've got this other piece of wax on this side. You can see the patient's other ear canal here. Let's take a look at this one, and how easy is this one going to be to get out? Now this one looks very tough as well, and we've got the rosin inserter in here. Watch how tough this is. When the rosin inserter goes over the top of this, it just pings off the top. It's just, you can see just how tough this wax is on this side. Now the reason there's this difference between ears, this is what the wax would have been like on the other side, but the patient had used some olive oil drops before they came along, so some wax softening drops just to soften this up. But because there was a gap in the wax on this side and it was such a solid piece, patient didn't even realize they had wax in this ear, so didn't put any softening drops in before they came along. But you can see just how tough that piece of wax is there. So we can't get it out with a rosin inserter, it just won't budge. So we're going to go in now with a Jobson horn. There we are, you can see it kind of twisting around to the side. But when I say this wax is tough, it is solid, this wax. It is like a piece of very old leather. It's got that tough sort of out appearance to it, but it's starting to come away as one big piece. Now we're gonna just fold this front section. You can see a little bit just broke off the front there. We'll get rid of that bit first. Now we're gonna go back in now and see if we can scoop, bring this around. We've got a little gap we can see just beyond. Let's push this down a little bit. There we go. And you can see now how tough that wax is. The Jobson horn even is flicking off the top of this. But if we can get just behind this next section there, that section there, we may be able to scoop this around the corner. Let's have a look at this coming away. Oh, it flicked off again. That's okay, that's all right, we can go back in. It did move forward slightly, which means that we can get a little bit more squarely behind it now. There we are, you can see it's starting to move now. It's starting to scoop from the side. I'm using an angle rather than drawing it straight down the middle to try and detach those side pieces as well. There we go. Look at that chunk of wax there. So that was absolutely solid, that piece of wax. There was no bend to it at all. A little bit of tidying up to do. Just going to take that section away from the top there. A couple of those looser pieces, and there's the eardrum looking lovely and healthy there. So this is what it looked like to start with, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So you can see a very different ear canal there. So the piece to the left hand side there, between a 0 and a centimetre, that was the sort of hard plug on the outside there. So the other looser bits were the bits that didn't get sucked into the tank or the other way. I'm not going to do a tank shot. I know it's controversial. So we've got 3.5 centimetres. I'm just going to go just over 1.25 on our more. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did. Voicing it over. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.